a damn clean car.
What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about?
It's a damn clean car. It's a clean car.
That shit, Touch.
It is a clean damn car. Shit.
At the end of the day, it's all the shape of the car, the chrome, the way everything sets, the fitting that makes a car, as opposed to this 20,000 mile car. It's another 71 zero rust, another 75, 20,000 miles. So I'm trying to shoot right now for originality, which is what I like, and I'm trying to collect them, but everything is for sale.
And it's from Magic City Classics. Everyone, this is Talia O'Neill with KandyonChrome, and I am here on a rainy day today with the owner of Magic City Classics. Why don't you come with us and take a
Come on in, guys.
What do you think about the Caddy versus the Donk, man?
I mean, shit, I like them all. I've just always been a Caddy guy. I've had the Caddy since I was young and kind of stuck with them. They ride smoother.
What was your first
more
Caddy?
options. 71 Coupe de Ville.
What color?
Black, triple black. I still got that car.
You guys know it's Magic City Classics. Whenever you're looking for a clean Donk, G-body, Chevelle, really anything old school to new school that's an investment wise, I'm the guy to call. This is a car with 30,000 miles original. Never gonna lose money because it's a car that's always gonna hold its weight.
Let me tell you, if you are a collector and you want something like this, you're gonna have a hard time finding it, for sure. Especially one that is this mint. I'm telling you, you need to call Magic City Classics.
You know, just nice and original. Something that hasn't really been touched. I don't need to put makeup on anything just to sell my vehicles. You know, it's the way I get it, you guys get it. And honestly, I'd rather see something like this that's nice and honest as opposed to something that's nice and shiny and who knows what's under there. I haven't painted it. I haven't touched up the car. I'm trying to sell you what I get from directly from the original owners or second owners, you know. Just trying to sell you classic original cars. You know, and I'd rather see things like that because you see what you're getting. As opposed to that later on down the road, give it a month, month and a half, all that armor all runs away. What's gonna happen? You're gonna have a shit box.
So let me tell you a little bit about what I'm experiencing in this car. It's really smooth. Look what I'm doing. Really smooth. Look at that. Really smooth. There's no rattles in this car. There are no, you don't hear any of the, you know, metal banging against metal. You don't hear any of those pings or those noises that you would normally hear from, you know, a classic, an antique car. You don't hear any of that. This car, listen how quiet it is. Just listen. Look. Look, I'm back on the brakes again. Listen how quiet. That's what's so beautiful about this car, is that it's so smooth. Just everything is smooth.
It's motherfucking clean. Shit. I'm talking about. Yeah.
We're getting in this car.
I said, you talking about trying to find something like this, boy. You gotta go to damn Donks. That's the only way you gonna find it. You can't find them shit down here nowhere. Shit, you already know if you try to find something like this, boy. They be damn rust buckets.
Yeah.
Shit, very. Shit, this called Ashley the year. Ashley the year that I was born.
Is it in better shape than you are?
I don't know. I can't say that because I don't know.
It's got a shitload less mileage.
Yep. Shit, it wasn't hardly driven, I'll tell you that.
This is the Puerto Rican 71. Picked it up from my boy Gabriel out in Puerto Rico. Check it out. Look at all the markings on it. You know, if car was like, it was built in Puerto Rico, shipped out, and it lived basically its whole life over there until I found it and we brought it down here to Florida. See how the, I guess in Puerto Rico they restamp them, and that's from the island. You know, the car is relatively fair shape, you know, but being from Puerto Rico, I really didn't really know what to expect. Didn't know they had Donks out there, but I guess they do now.
I think you took the only donk that was in Puerto Rico out of Puerto Rico.
Out of Puerto Rico, and brought it to Miami where they belong. I think all of them belong. I bought all the donks that I brought from Chicago. They just brought the waffle and brought that shit back to Miami. Everything belongs down here, man. Check out my 73 Caprice. It's another low mileage car from me. It's got 21,000 miles actual on the title. You can see in the conditions of the car. It's even got the guards. You know, you could run through the car camera, not afraid of close-ups. It's a very odd combination considering the fact of the color. It's like a butternut yellow with a black top, the green interior. You can come check it out. You know, it's an OAC car with power windows, which is another rare thing about it. You know, the clock works. You know, you can check out the bumpers, look at the lights. All the silver on them is intact. Not a single crack on it, fade. The license plate bracket basically looks practically new, you know. All the tire markings are still there, the stamps.
Look at this jack instructions.
Yeah. You know, she's unique, man. You know, she's one of a kind. I just put the Dayton's on her just to play around with her. And, you know, everything's for sale. So if the bag is right, you guys want to come cash me out. I got about probably like 6-7 birds here that are all ready to go. Just not cheap, but you get what you pay for at the end. So Magic City Classics here, and we're out.
Keep them whips. looking tight. Caddy faded, them sixes spin all night. All night, them Caddy whips. Keep them whips looking tight. Caddy faded, them sixes spin all night. All night, them Caddy whips.
When you riding it on now, usually won't bore you if you wear look new. They sit back and admire your shoes. Can't roll thugs no more, it's deuce. If you choose soft leather, interior guts, plush carpet, get down to your stereo must be a pioneer with the dolphins swimming. Turn that live, make your amp start tripping. Guess your Zeus need you.
I be tripping off all the time when you find them like this.